Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to cover the scale question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. Now, this is one of my favorite question types from Advanced Quizzes, so let's jump right in. I'll create a new quiz, add a new question, get the scale question type. We'll say, what is the best of this scale? And then what I can do here is have a description, image, and video, like with other questions, and I can have a minimum and maximum value. For this one, let's just say we'll do a scale of 1 to 10, and then we can put labels on these as well. So I'll just do this and that as my labels here. And the neat thing here is you can have this be automatically graded if you put in a correct answer here. We'll just say the correct answer will be 5. And you can see that there. Now let's update this, save our changes, and now view it on the front end. Oop, there it goes. So head to take quiz, start quiz, and now we can see the scale here. From 1 to 10, our correct answer was 5. But you can see this is a pretty neat question type, and there's a lot of opportunity here for what can be done with this for sure. So yeah, I guess so 5 is the correct answer for us. Let's complete the quiz, and you'll see it'll be automatically graded since we had the correct answer there. So yeah, that's it for this video. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.